Okay, this is the new series, trying out a level 4 flame, which is the halfway point between thermal and plasma or electric. The fire is actually the swirl device with the stainless steel wire wrapped around. It's actually causing a swirl effect from the wire. We're going to try this piece of soapstone. I actually have a partially bored in here with a vent hole there. I'll get a vent hole there too, and this is all bored all the way through. This is my original test block going back prior to the discovery of the drill pipe. So what we're going to do is pump some heat into it, and this is just the exhaust heat alone. This is soapstone. It's cold, probably around 50 degrees, 45, 50 degrees. Not for long. You can already feel the heat building up here. It's an 8-pound block of green soapstone. You can feel the exhaust coming out, but it's sucking up most of the heat. Very hot. It's already, you can cook your dinner on it. Wanted to see whether the heat's going to turn it. I don't think so. It probably take about 10 minutes to heat this up to about 700-800 degrees. The whole block of soapstone. You could probably use the heat to heat up rocks, or use this for a sauna. There's so many different applications, but the focus I like to look to is building emergency stoves and heaters using the superheated exhaust. So you could actually have stoves and heaters where there is no flame, the flame being close to the level 4. So you just have your fire back there, but it's not really a flame anymore. It's more of a almost electric tornado. Very, very intense heat. And I got everything turned down to the lowest setting. So if you wanted to turn up the thermal part, you just crank up the propane in the air, and you'd have a you could actually bring up the thermal part of the flame. Right now it's thermal electric. We're not getting a change. It takes more than a couple thousand degrees to turn soapstone. If I cranked it up, it probably will, as I did before in the other test. Maybe we're going to try this. Turning up the propane. thin piece of soapstone to turn it red right away here. It's cracking my soapstone. See it crack all the way down there. So the heat's too intense for the soapstone now. It's very expensive, this stuff. So it cracked the soapstone. Just turns right away. It's already a bright spot of orange on it. So the level 4 flame is just making everything more intense, but you can turn it down when there's no flame and still have exhaust temperatures around 17, 18, 1900 degrees. There you go. Let's crank it down here. Okay, let's try it there. Get rid of this stuff. Even there it's turning the brick orange. And that's no flame. Fire's on pilot. Short time here. Okay, let's try the level 4 exhaust on this piece of maple. You want to gasify this. I'm going to try to char it with the just with the exhaust heat alone, and it's maple. I think it only takes 454 Fahrenheit to light it, so it's already carbonizing. Imagine having this kind of heat in a bucket of oil that's enclosed. You can make all kinds of oil vapor to melt steel, iron, gold, silver, copper, aluminum. You can turn waste oil to a nice vapor to burn, and just use this as a slave unit to make your fuel. That's just with the exhaust. I'm going to cut it off here, maybe come back for part 5.